In a magical kingdom far away lived a baby girl named Rapunzel.
Her hair was no ordinary hair. It held healing magic and the power to give life.
A witch named Gothel wanted this power, so she planned to take the child for herself.
One night, she stole Rapunzel and escaped deep into the dark forest.
She hid the child inside a tall stone tower where no one could enter or leave.
Rapunzel grew older, Pillion. Her golden hair reached the floor like a river of sunlight. She spent her days inside, dreaming of the world she could only see from above.
Gothel warned her that the world was dangerous and she must never leave.
Rapunzel believed her, yet her heart whispered, "There is more beyond this tower."
One evening, a prince heard a beautiful song floating through the forest.
The voice guided him through trees, mist, and moonlight, like a magical path.
Then he saw the tower, tall, silent, hidden like a secret.
Rapunzel had never met anyone before, and she was frightened, but curious.
Something inside told her to trust him, so she let down her golden hair.
Carefully he climbed, step by step, holding on to her shining hair.
When they stood face to face, two lonely souls finally found a friend. The prince spoke of stars, oceans, and cities, things she had only dreamed of. One day, he said, I will show you the world beyond these walls.
But Gothel discovered everything, and her anger filled the whole tower.
She cut Rapunzel's hair, and with it took away her shining magic.
Rapunzel was free but lost, alone.
The prince came back to her, but the tower was silent and empty.
Gothel fooled him and pulled him up with the golden hair she had kept.
With dark magic, she blinded him, leaving him in endless darkness.
Still, he searched for Rapunzel kind. Love gave him strength to continue.
One day Rapunzel sang again, her voice soft as sunrise and hope.
The prince recognized the voice and followed it with all his heart.
Her tears touched his eyes, and suddenly he could see again.
Together, they left the forest, stepping into a new, bright future. Rapunzel's story became a legend, a tale of courage, love, and freedom.
Once she lived trapped prey, not only by walls, but by fear and lies. Rapunzel learned that courage begins when we question what holds us back. Kindness and trust can heal hearts, just like her magic once did. No tower, no fear, no voice should decide your future for you.
Believe in yourself. Hathaway, your strength is greater than any magic. Hi, friends! Don't forget to tap subscribe.
Join our magical family. Just one tap